Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journeys to Wisdom and Wealth. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing, zero, nothing to hit that subscribe button. So please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and join our little clan over here, our Grateful Gang over here. So today we're going to be closing. Y'all, we did a lot of things, but I didn't go over my goals for March and how I did March, as well as I went over how I did for the quarter, as well as we need to do the reconciliation of the credit card. These could have been 2 videos, y'all, but I didn't want that because I got enough videos coming. So I'm going to see if I can make this video 1 video. So let's go quickly, really quickly. Let's go through the March information. March goals basically were to start getting my bedroom together. If you watch my other channel, I absolutely did that. Trying to be in my bed by 10 p.m. I've been doing pretty good at that. Not 100%, but I'll give myself 75. Sign up for a dating app was there, but there's a big old question mark next to it, baby. No, we're not doing that. I changed my mind like right after I wrote it. I was like, I don't think that's a good idea right now. So that's going to be on the back burner and save for a bed frame, which we did save for a bed frame as well as purchase a bed frame. So March goals are good. And then there's always a no spend goal, which is in the calendar portion. We track that. We have this set up for no spends. So let's see how many no spends I have and explain what's going on there. So we have a no spend over here on the 3rd, on the 1st and the 2nd. I ate out. One of these are always like a scheduled eat out day, but there shouldn't be 2. I ain't gonna worry about it. But let's say one no spend day on the 4th, on the 5th. I'm sorry, on the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th. On the 6th, I ended up buying some snacks. On the 7th, no spend day. 8th, no spend day. 9th, scheduled eat out day. 10th, we end up, I bought the lamps for the bedroom because we had started working on the bedroom, like one of the goals. The 11th was a no spend day. 12th was a no spend day. 13th, no spend day. 14th, what happened? 14th, I had eaten out because that was the day of the doctor's appointment, and I had McDonald's and Popeyes and all kind of foolishness because bad news. And then that was more emotional eating. And then 15th was a no spend day. The 16th, again with the, did I say snacks? Rude. 17th, no spend day. 18th, no spend day. 19th, no spend day. 20th, it doesn't say. The 20th, I had lunch with one of my coworkers. It was okay. I'm okay with that. And then the 21st was a no spend day. 22nd was a no spend day. 23rd was a no spend day. 24th, I had lunch with Lisa and Alex. So I was actually going to make the 20th my eat out day for that week, which it really could have been because it was Monday to Sunday to Monday. Or Monday to Sunday, whatever. And then on this Sunday, the 24th, I ended up having people come out of town. So that was super nice. And we went out to eat, Lisa and Alex. And then 25th was a no spend day. 26th, I had to replace my Fitbit with my watch that I got from Amazon. And that's the only reason I spent money on that day because my Fitbit broke. The 27th was a no spend day. The 28th, I placed an Etsy order. That's the only reason it was a no spend day. 29th is the blur. 30th was my normal eat out day. I got Domino's, and then 31st was a no spend day. So overall, because I number them as I go, I had a total of 18 no spend days, which is amazing because honestly, in my mind, my goal is always, and I'm put it down here, is always like 10 as a minimum. So 18 no spend days, I'll take it. So in January we had 23 no spend days, and in February I had 18 no spend days. So that means I had a total of 23 for January, 18 for February, and 18 for March. I had 59 no spend days, y'all. And if you don't count like my eat out days, which were scheduled and budgeted for, I would have over 60 something days. That's amazing. Like when you think about how many days there actually was it 31 plus like 29? Is it 29 for a leap year or is it 28? Shit, I don't know. Plus 31. Let's say we did have 91 days and didn't eat 32 days, only 32 days. Like, I'm impressed. I feel like I did a really great job. Anyway, so that is the update on the no spends and how I did on my goals in March. So let's get down to the tracking, baby. So we have to track for the credit card expenses. We've done the tracking for what was in the cash envelope. So let's see. We have $450 on the credit card right now. However, nothing on the other credit card. However, all of these are not for March. So we're going to clear all our March transactions. All right. Let's see. All right. I don't believe that we have done any of the March. I'm sorry. Not March. Yeah, March transaction. So our March transaction starts here on March 4th, and that's our Amazon for $144.42. So what I think is going to be best for me to do initially is just to write them in, and then we'll figure out about paying them when we're done, right? Okay, right. So we have, and try not to double write anything over here. Because some of them we had actual receipts for. I don't see $144.42 anywhere. I'm going to pull it out a little bit just so y'all can hopefully see everything. And you just listen to me. So on 4/4, I'm sorry, that's March 3/4, we had an Amazon, and I believe that was definitely my bed frame. And so that's going to come out of my treat yourself. I believe that money is in. And that was $144.42. Then we have Sam's Club, which was a bunch of different stuff. Mostly it was like food. I remember I bought like fish, and I bought water and some household stuff. So I think it's a lot of it. It was like mostly household. So I think we're going to take it out of household, and we might have, because I'm not sure household has the full $61. So we'll see what we do there. That was on 3/4 as well, and that is going to be Sam's Club. And then we have Capital One. There was a payment, and then we have Home Goods, which we already wrote here, $12.25. And then we have this $30 is for a copay for the medical when I went to the doctor on 3/14, but of course it didn't come out till 3/15. But that is for a doctor's visit, follow up about my blood pressure, and so that's going to come out of medical, and that was for $30. Then I have Adidas, $34.56, but that's already recorded here. I hope y'all can see. I'm just going to say the stuff on the credit card. $34.56 is already recorded on the tracker, and that is going to come out of apparel. And then we have Marshall's right here, and that is already written here, $21.58. That was for some baby stuff I got from my sister. That will come out of giving, and then, or treat your friends or whatever. And then I have Publix, that is here, $41.66. That was medical. And I'm sorry, the sun is going in and out. And then we have Vivint, which is a bill for the security system. So that came in and was paid immediately. So that's fine. Then we have up here on March 28th that this is in the regular budget, so I didn't put that here. This is the other part of the security system, the equipment, and that is the payment. So these four just kind of zero each other out. And then the last thing I show in March is $12.83, and that's for CVS. Child, what is that? And that was on 3/30. CVS. Oh, okay. I think I bought myself some, like, it was some cashews. They had buy one get one, and I love cashews. They were chocolate covered cashews or something, but there's no food on this, so this is a question of where that's coming from. But it was $12.83. Okay. And then we'll come back and do all these April charges next week, because I want to stay on these charges more frequently, because we're going to be using the credit card more frequently. Okay. So now to figure out how to pay everything. There really were not that many charges on the credit card, as you can see. So the lamps, Terra. Why does it say home, Terra? We don't have a home category. Okay, let me go into our categories. Let's pay the stuff we know. So medical is definitely coming out and getting paid, because I know we have money in medical. We should have money in all of these. So medical and medical. That's $41.66 plus $30. So $71.66 is coming out of medical. So what I'm going to do is go over to, did I press it? Okay, I'm going to go over to did I pass health is wealth? Yeah, I know I'm trying to slow down. Health is wealth. So health is wealth. I'm going to transfer over to the main account, Tara's major keys, and we're going to do $71.66. Not 74, boo. $71.66. Not 7,000. I wish I had that. And we're gonna transfer over. And success. We moved $71.66 into the main account. So that is taken care of. Now we have the not Sam's Club, the apparel. I know there was money in there. So $41.66 is getting transferred. Let's just do it from this account. So apparel, not $41.66. The Adidas were $34.56. I feel like I said that number already. So we're going to transfer from apparel to my main account, $34.66. The reason I'm doing it this way, you guys, is because you can only set up 3 payments at a time with Capital One, which is a good amount. But if you're paying from multiple accounts, it's just easier for me, success, to put it all in one place and then pay it. And then, so then that has been moved over. I did it already. And so the bed frame, I know for sure is coming out of that Treat Yourself. So let me see how much is actually in my Treat Yourself account. I'm trying to let it move. I feel like, okay, I feel like I pressed it. So Treat Yourself has 154. Okay, and then I think I was gonna, so 154 minus how much was the 144, 42, 958. I thought I had enough for this, for the lamps to come out of there, but it doesn't seem that I do. So what I'm gonna do is legit, y'all. I thought I was recording. Let me tell y'all really quickly what we did. So I took $50 out of this household account because that's what we had, and I paid this with a balance of $11.41. Then after $11.41, I took the $11.41 plus this miscellaneous cashew CVS purchase plus this helping my sister, which really should have came out of giving, but I forgot to take the cash out, and this is why I want to charge everything going forward. And then it's too hard to keep it separated. And then a $12.25, which was for the lamps for the house, which don't really have a household thing anymore in the household. I took all of those charges, added them together, and moved. It was like 50 something dollars, and moved it over from our all the things account. Well, I can show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. I moved from all the things, I moved over 5807. Household, I've moved the 50. We talked about the treat yourself 144.42. Apparel, health as well, and interest. So I'm going to add all these together and see what we need to pay, which I believe is $358.71 because I had added that when y'all weren't here. So $58, and that's too many numbers. This. That's $58.07 plus 50 plus 144.42 plus 34.66 plus 71.66. And there you go. $358.81. Maybe I was off by a penny. So we need to pay that to the credit card. So we're going to go back to the credit card, and so I'm glad that I started that all the things, say general savings, because it's almost like a miscellaneous account to pull from when things don't make sense. Like, I'm not going to tell my sister who just is pregnant that I can't buy her baby mirrors. There are mirrors that go behind, the seats on the thing so you can see the babies when you're driving. Like, I'm just not that girl. So I'm just not going to do that. So I'm glad to have that account where I can pull from. So I'm going to go ahead and pay the bill. As you can see, nothing is due until April. Maybe you can't see. April 21st, and we're literally on April 2nd. And it's a minimum of $25. But the way that I pay my bill, I like to pay off the statement balance so that I don't have any. See, the last statement balance is $302.68 for March. And baby, we ain't paying that. We're paying more than that. So it all works out. And I don't want, because if I pay the full statement balance, then I know I'm not going to be charged any interest. So $358.81. Continue. And submit the payment. Oh, it's the third. Girl, I don't know why I thought it was second. Thank you for your payment of $358 to my Quicksilver on the 3rd. Perfect. So a lot of times you'll see them run it back. Like you see them run the money back. And I got $4,500. Now, there's my payment schedules right there. I did go ahead and pay. We'll talk about these next time. Because all of this stuff that's in April, we're going to reconcile sometime probably this weekend, because now that I'm using the credit card for most things outside of gas and possible giving, I'm going to be on it like more on a weekly basis, because I don't want us to get carried away spending money we don't have. Okay, guys, so that is it. I'm super grateful for all of you that came. Thanks for watching. Sorry, this one's a little long, but I got 2 birds with 1 stone. Thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, 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 Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it, boy.